number of you have asked me what I would put into my dream advent calendar, or what I would curate. Yeah. And because we are at the fag end of the advent calendar season, I thought, I first wanted to do KBeauty separately and, mainstream Western brands separately. But there really is no time for both. And I've got to get a start on, best of 2021 videos and favourites and things like that. So I thought I'd show you KBeauty this year, and next year do the rest, yeah? So I am putting an approximate price tag of 189 to 200 YesStyle and Stylevana price tags, people, on this dream advent calendar of mine. But the contents they add up to $369. Everything here is dollars, people. It is not pounds. So that is also approximately the net worth of the contents of YesStyle and Stylevana as well. So I think that's a fair, comparison, a fair price range to choose from. Therefore, I think the things that I've chosen are not unrealistic. The other thing is that the prices that I've chosen are all from YesStyle at the time of filming this video. Right, so off we go with the curation. The first product that I would choose, first cleanser, oil cleanser, the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil, 150 ml, retailing at £12. Sorry, $12. Everything here is dollars. What I've done is, this is actually $11.68 or so. I have approximated, I've rounded it off to the next higher value. Yeah, next higher value, nearest higher value, nearest higher round figure. So $12. Yeah, this emulsifies like a dream, is absolutely lightweight and removes every last bit of makeup. There is nothing I hate about this. I will repurchase this forever. If they change the formula, I will be so mad. Second cleanser, because I want this to be a curation that will suit all skin types. Yeah, I want it to suit acne-prone skins, oily skins, dry skins, etc., etc. I have gone in for the Laneige Fresh Calming Gel Cleanser, which is a bottle that looks like this. Yeah, this is a nice giant 230 ml. This retails at $19. It's a very lightweight second cleanser that you can use in the mornings as well. I love my Cosrx Good Morning Low pH Cleanser, but I also really like that one. Right, the next thing is the toner, acid toner you want. And hang on. Yeah, I've got the Maison AHA BHA Daily Clean Toner. And this is 150 ml and retails at $15, people. It is a nice, solid, mild, gentle, beginner's acid toner. It's not going to be too harsh on the skin. Anyway, KBeauty doesn't use harsh toner products. Don't worry about that. So, yeah, nice beginning acid. The second toner, obviously going to be hydrating toner, people. Claire's Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. Because the scented one contains essential oils that everybody may not be, but I absolutely love this product. And I rate this higher than the Pink Annual Essence Toner. So this retails at, hang on, where is it? Claire's. $18. It's actually $17.28, but like I said, I've rounded it off to the next highest value. The next is a very recent launch. This is why I maintain that advent calendars should be all about recent, exciting new things to try. It's a brand called One Thing. When I say recent launch, I don't mean last few weeks. I mean last couple of years. It's a brand called One Thing. Yeah, this is sealed because I am currently using other products from them. You will see this in my recent empties video, next couple of, upcoming empties video. So this, basically One Thing does these single ingredient products. It's kind of like The Ordinary. The only thing is that these are all in mist form. I use them as mist. You can also use them as packs, by putting on the product on cotton pads and, using the pads as packs on your face. So this advent calendar is very ingredient driven, and one product in KBeauty that makes a huge difference and gives you that glass skin effect, that choc skin effect, is galactomyces. So this is their galactomyces product. One Thing, galactomyces. There is something else that I absolutely love from One Thing. It is the Brassica oleracea. That is broccoli extract. It reeks, it stings, that one, but it works a treat. I like that the best, but yeah, I didn't want too many toners, and I wanted something from some Galactomyces product in this advent calendar. My favorite Galactomyces product is not this one. It is the Cosrx Galactomyces. However, there is another Cosrx product in this advent calendar, in this curation. So I didn't want too much from Cosrx already. So yeah, that retails at £14 for 150 mils. Now we come to Essence Purito Niacin 97 par essence. This is 60 mils and it retails at £18. Love this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. I wanted to include the toning product as well, the Galacto boosting thing. But yeah, I can't just keep on adding all the Purito products or the Cosrx ones. This retails at 18 quid. Now we come to vitamin C, because this should cover AM and PM routine. You don't have to use all of these products at once, So here is your vitamin C, Neogen Double Vita Drop-In Serum. This is, and that is how many mils? 50 mils, which retails at $24. A very, very, very gentle vitamin C. Terribly gentle. Yeah, at the same time, it does help with hyperpigmentation, I feel. I look brighter when I use this product. And I feel that it is nice for layering beneath sunscreen, which is why I really like it. The next product is another recent discovery. Isintry Bifida Ampoule. They call it ampoule. It's by no means that big. It's very, very lightweight and runny. Bifida, another ingredient that I've absolutely loved on my skin. See, this is why I said this advent calendar is ingredient based. Calm down, there's makeup coming. So this massive ampoule is 50 mils and retails at $21. I will talk about this in another video. Favorite skincare for 2021. Stay tuned for that. Really nice. But if you want a thick ampoule, we have the Pink Annual Moisture Ampoule, which is so thick and hydrating and occlusive practically that you can't just do that on your face. You've got to press it on after your regular serum, practically at the end of your routine, maybe before a sleeping pack. Yeah, this retails at $21. 100 mils, very generous sizes KBeauty has. That's something I love. Now, because you want to mix and match your serums and ampoules, this is a serum, Coxia Intensive EGF Peptide Serum, people. That is how many mils? How many mils? 50 mils. And this retails at $19. Yeah, a very, very nice, lightweight, oil-free, easy to layer, peptide and EGF based product that heals your skin very quickly if you've just undergone a procedure or something. Believe me, I know. Now, one last serum / ampoule product. Unique Beta Glucan Power Moisture Serum. Love. It's quite a viscous product. Also 50 mils, retailing at $21. This need not be used along with the Pink Annual Moisture Ampoule. You can actually rotate the two. Now let's do moisturizers, the next step. I've got two here. This is for oily skins. I've only got two. Stylevana had 4 creams in theirs. Tiam AC Fighting Oil-Free Aqua Cream. Quite a decent, lightweight product with blackcurrant extract and betaine and all that. This retails at $20. Quite nice. I'm going to show you what it's like inside. I've actually got 2 of them. I really like the very light pink gel. The next is the Cosrx Moisture Bar Enriched Cream, which retails at $23. Sorry, dollars. This is from the Hydrium range. How many mils is this? 50 mils, this is, people. So that would be for more dry skins. Yeah, as I said, I want this curation to be a very universal one. Yeah. So moisturizers out of the way. Now we come to eye cream and mask. Last step. This is my sleeping pack of choice. Triaruke Cell Energy Mask Formula, retailing at $22. 50 mils. Nice last step sleeping pack. yeah, holds everything inside and prevents transepidermal water loss. So the Prioruca actually came in YesStyle last year, but you know, it's so good that I would like to mention it. Innisfree Black Tea Youth Enhancing Serum is next. Eye serum. Now this retails at a whopping $27, but it's worth every penny. It calms down, and if you're seeing me, I slept at 4:30 a.m. this morning and woken at 5:30 a.m. or 6 a.m. or so. And that has been my, you know, I have had very little sleep over the last few weeks, maybe even a month or two. And if you think I don't look too bad for that, you can thank that eye cream for it. The next product though I really like, and I do wish somebody would include something like this in an advent calendar, because we need more neck treatment products. This is the It's Skin Wrinkle Cut Neck Focus Essence, which I feel hydrates my neck very, very nicely. Do I see any, you know, reduction in necklace lines? No, not particularly. But yeah, I've just started using this, so hopefully there'll be some results later. So this retails at £12. So the Cosrx cream retails at £23. What is a KBeauty advent calendar without foot masks? I've got, this actually came in YesStyle last year. So here we have the Levin Village Factory foot peeling mask. These are 480 of these, and YesStyle last year included 3 of these. This is the last one that I have from that lot. Maybe 3 of these in a window. Quite nice, yeah? I have counted the value as 15 quid, so don't worry. The next product, obviously there's got to be an SPF. Innisfree Tone Up No Sebum Sunscreen SPF 35 is my choice. It's, you know, good coverage, lightweight, at the same time, you know, does the job, doesn't pill beneath makeup. So very quickly, the makeup. This is the same Maison mascara that they sent out last year, YesStyle, in their advent calendar. That is 5 quid. Sorry, dollars. Chica et Chico eyeliner, that is 13 quid. Yeah, Clavo lipstick that they sent out last year, Urban Pearlization lipstick, that is 10.88 in the shade Marsala. And I've got Innisfree, yeah, I know, more Innisfree products. Eyebrow definer pencil, that is just $3. And I've got I'm From Mimi lip jelly, a beautiful tinted product, that is $6. And for palette, you can either go for the same thing that YesStyle sent out. This is a backup. I loved it so much, I bought a backup. Etude House, something like this. Any Etude House Play Colorize palette that is, you know, a nice neutralish thing that spans all skin tones, that appeals to everybody. Yeah, and this is $18. There's the Hershey's one, as you can see, that's got quite a bit of love for some of the pants. Yeah, this one is a backup, people. The first one looks worse. So all of those products add up to $369. That isn't bad at all, you know. I did want to add a hand cream, but the problem is that I didn't have any KBeauty hand creams handy to show you lot. Pun unintended. Which is why there is no hand cream with this curation, nor a foot cream. There are no sheet masks in here. Again, I don't have any sheet masks at hand at the moment that I could reach for. So I know there's a bit of too much of Innisfree, and that's because I tried finding other brands, but yeah, I just can't find anything in my stash right now. So I think this is, there's enough and more of ampules and serums and toners and essences, which are the sort of center point of Korean skincare. And the makeup isn't anything to scoff at either. I didn't want too much makeup. Yeah, I did want to include a blush, and I couldn't find the one Holika blush that I had. Apart from that, I don't actually have any KBeauty blushes. I did have that Jelly Me highlighter from Holika's first, 2019 YesStyle advent calendar. Yeah, nobody wants highlighting. Yuck. Yeah, I know Centella is missing in here. I did think about the Skin 1004 Centella ampoule that is there in Madagascar. That is there in the Stylevana advent calendar. That is $17. But then, you know, there were quite a few ampoules in here already. So Centella next year. So those are the 24 beauty products that I would curate if I was doing my own advent calendar. What do you think of this curation? Do you think it covers everything? Do you think it is exciting? I know that there isn't anything new. There are a lot of cult staples here. Basically, I grabbed whatever I have available around the house, right? and put them together. So what would you put in your dream K-Beauty advent calendar? Would you change anything? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe, and please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.